Hi everyone, welcome to CloudRevol YouTube channel. I'm Sayed from CloudRevol. In today's video, I'm showing a search improvement we have added on our platform. The issue you can face when you have multiple servers and multiple applications. So you don't remember on which server, which application is hosted. So we have fixed that for you. Let's see how the search works. All you have to do is click on hosting, select your hosting. Now you can see I have only one server. Just for example, I'm going to show you how the search works. So we have a search option, search server. Now we have search website. As soon as you click on the search website, the servers will disappear. Now, if you remember your application name, like I do, type it and click on search. It will guide you on which server this application is hosted. Just click on the server, click on the website, and here you can see my website is hosted on this server. So this becomes very easy for you to identify on which server your application is hosted. Share your feedback, comment on our video. To get latest update from our YouTube channel, subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon so you can get all the updates of our YouTube channel. Take care. See you on the next video. Bye.